We have to tell them. All right. So a lot of people ask me, they're like, where do you get those chopped up frames from? Well, they've been sold out for forever, but they're not. They have some right now. Lady, I know it's crazy. So go to otdefense.com/collections. You see here, blah, 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 blah. Or just go to the website, OT Defense. This is what the shit looks like. They have them on sale right now. They've been sold out for I don't know how long because they keep sharing this link out. So if you want one, go get one now. I'm not sponsored or endorsed or anything by these dudes. I don't know who they are. This is where I bought it from.